Hello everyone, this is Glal. In this video, I'll be showcasing a Python script I created to scrape news articles from this website called cnevpost.com. So this website actually uses WordPress to run. So what method I used was basically I used the WordPress REST API backend to scrape all of the news articles from this JSON format. So we have all the information divided by date filters. So in my Python script, if I show you, so you can see here, I use this JSON format to scrape all of it, and it is also blazingly fast. So you can see we are getting the title, the publication date, the month, article URL, full article body. So we are getting these fields. Now, if I run this Python script quickly, you can see that it will be very fast while scraping. So you are seeing we already got 65 news articles instantly. Now, if I stop this by pressing Ctrl plus C, so it will. So here are all the results that I got. I stopped the script actually at 165 results, but I can go as far as to scrap all of the results. So if you like this kind of projects that I do, please feel free to follow me here on LinkedIn, and thank you for watching.